I already know Michi like to be Leatherface and shit.
I'm the best Leatherface in the world.
You sound like Leatherface.
Come on now, this different. Leatherface don't even talk.
Alright, Michi, what you gotta say to the fans real quick, bro?
Yo, what happened?
You cursing already, bro. It's too much.
Oh, my fault, my fault.
You got something to say to the fans?
Hell yeah. I just can't think right now. Ain't got no black girls though.
Cutting, you got the shape while I'm cutting her.
They only got the Latinos.
Latino bad as fuck, but you do not want to date a Latino bitch, bro. I'm trying to tell you that right now.
Your whole probably don't cut your so you cheat on them.
What the f?
That is a fact. The only reason I'm not dated by a Latino is because she live in Texas and I live in Georgia. But that would have killed me if she... What? Bro, I the whole nother bitch if I was dating her.
Kill him.
Oh, he
Where?
Hit his ass, hit his ass.
I'm bullshitting. Damn.
Kill that fuck nigga. Kill.
Good shit, man.
Say basement exit open. Which means
No, she is upstairs. She's going downstairs now. Yeah, she's going backstairs now. Come here. Sir, nigga. Fuck is you going? Don't play with a nigga.
You got it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Right there.
You like that.
Oh my god.
Make sure you lock doors, Savion.
Oh, like when I open them?
Yeah, you gotta lock them sometimes.
Oh, that makes sense.
What you mean that makes sense? You supposed to lock it on there.
Bro, don't be playing this game, bro. Get off my dick. Stop glazing. I see somebody.
Oh, I see them next to over here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, come here, Connie. Come here, Connie.
Hey, yo, girl.
Bitch.
Got it. All right, hit her ass.
Get that bitch.
Yup, nah, bitch. You ain't finna run. No way.
She can't run from you.
Come here.
She can't run from you.
Come here.
Oh, yeah.
Come here. I'm kidding. Well, I'm just over there slicing and dicing this bitch. Where she go?
I can see from outside.
I keep forgetting.
Wait, she right there?
Oh, yeah, I'm tweaking.
Her ass. Oh, two of them. Leave her ass.
Got her ass. Let's go. Let's do it. That's two of them. already.
Yeah. You got him?
Good shit.
You like going stupid, yeah.
Nigga, I found her. No, you gotta piss me off. Come here.
She about to die.
Come here, nigga. I got you.
I ain't
Come here, nigga. It's like she wanted to get killed.
Yeah, like she didn't know where to go, man.
Hey, I'm getting used to this game. I'm getting used to it. I fuck with it.
Fuck a let do it, nigga. I ain't get a kill. It ain't no let do it.
Yeah, all the kill that games, nigga.
Oh, they already right here.
Damn.
I ain't crank up my chainsaw. Oh my god.
Damn, Michi, is that you or some shit?
That's that generator.
Can I cut this shit off?
No, don't.
Oh.
Nigga, why didn't you tell me that? So if I cut it off, it makes it easier for them to get out? Oh.
Yeah.
My bad.
Oh, yeah, these niggas
It's still on. You gotta kick it for a minute anyway. Battery on.
Alright, I'll turn it on.
She went down the well, me.
Yeah, I'm already down here with it. Oh, I heard it too. Oh God, I did. Hello. Oh, you think you can sit there and keep running?
Oh yeah, I know exactly where the well is. I'm right by it.
Come here. Nah, stop running from me. Oh, she
I'm about to feed Grandpa again.
Whoever got Cunny, when they in the grass, you can hear their ass like.
Oh, I got stabbed. On me.
Where? Wait.
Hard battery. Hey, here. Oh, fuck. I got
Open that bitch. Open. Come on. Oh yeah, all three of us gonna chase that ass. Oh yeah.
Oh, she finna go in the well.
Hey, give us that fat ass, man. Give us that fat ass, man. Give us that ass, man. Give us that ass, man. No, she juke both.
No, she didn't go in the well. Oh, circle around. Get that bitch.
Go get the other one. Don't worry.
Go.
You know the other one?
She probably on the other exit.
They gotta be, cause it lock the gate. Lock the gate when I come back out. I'ma lock it.
I got 168.
I lock the exit.
Boy, yo ass coughing up blood. Eli, you straight? No. The gate, basement gates open. Shit. No.
Oh, she right there. She in the house.
Where? She is?
She right there. She in the...
I see her.
She comes here, I'm beating her. Get her.
I know, lie with you.
Yeah, get her out. It's over with. It's It's done for.
Oh,
is this nigga serious? Eli, you better kill her. You better.
Eli, you better.
I'm going to the basement. I'm going. Wait, go. Come on, nah, you can't run forever. You cannot
I'm feeding
run
Granddad,
forever.
I can't find her.
You cannot run. No, she ran to
Got
the.
it.
Oh my God. Eli,
How she recover that fast?
we had a plan. Eli,
Eli, you failed for that shit.
Wait, no.
What did I hit her for? What did I do wrong? I hit her ass.
I was hitting her and she went through the crack and me and Eli had a trap, nigga, which means as soon as she get through the crack,
hit her
just
3 times,
slice her at, bro, nigga, that's it, man. Oh wow, next match.
Oh, you know this nigga.
Next match, come on.
It's loud as fuck, though.
Oh damn, that was fast.
Y'all with car battery. Oh, no, me. I'm fighting her.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see your ass fighting her ass, bro.
Come here.
Damn. Oh,
She's punching my dick.
Oh, he fighting, nigga.
Padlock it.
That shit open, and I think it's the car with the fucking. Oh my.
Oh, I see somebody. Found somebody.
Yeah. Water generator green. Water generator.
No.
Water generator. No. Stadium. Generator.
Nigga, I'm chasing somebody too. That bitch slammed the door on my ass. You gotta be. I can't get up. My character won't get up. Get up, Johnny.
Like a dumbass. Press up, bro. 20 gone, bro.
Oh my god.
That's why I told you you got the guard right there, bro.
Damn, bro.
That's why I like gas station, but this shit.
Damn, bro. Damn. Who gonna make the outro since we ended off here?
Me. Why they?
Alright.
Like, subscribe.
Hit the notice.
Yeah, that too. But yeah.
Alright.
悪いが兄さん